I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a super simple recipe for you. Another old recipe, and this is a wilted lettuce with hot bacon dressing. So good, y'all. We can't claim this one here in South Carolina, but this one began up in the Appalachian area. And honey, they know what's good up there. They started with some good old fresh lettuce. Back in the day, they would often have this around spring when they first picked their fresh lettuce. And they normally had plenty of fat around from pork fat or what have you. So this is a way that they used up that oil. And I have started with frying 6 slices of bacon. And y'all, I ain't trying to do a lot of dishes, honey. We got that on the paper plate.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll, honey. That's exactly right. That's how my mom always did it. That's what we do. But I've got that hot bacon grease back there. And I have got just some green onion. You can do red onion. People do this little recipe all kind of different ways. So you do what you want to do. I've got me some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of sugar. Some people use white vinegar, brown sugar, honey, mix it up, whatever you think. So we are going to start, I'm going to put just a little bit of salt and pepper on this beautiful lettuce here. Just a little salt and pepper. My hand's clean, y'all. It'll be all right. It's clean. A little pepper, little pepper there. And we are going to add these little green onions. You can do red onions. I love red onions, but I was out of red onions. We just go give that a little toss there. Y'all keep your little green onions here, y'all. Put them in a little cup of water, honey. Them things will be long and strong in a few days. You have a whole brand new bunch of onions.
Yeah.
Whole bunch of onions. All right, let's move this up out the way. Now I'm going to just pour this in here. My 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're just going to give this a little mix. You want that sugar to just be dissolved. That's all. Just go give it a little what's up there. Now, some people go ahead and pour this over the salad and mix it and then pour the bacon. But I'm going to just put that hot bacon, that little goodness, y'all, that bacon grease right up in here. And I have cooked 6 slices of bacon, y'all. I'm just going to pour that in there like so. What we're doing is, what I'm doing is dribbling it, making a mess. But we're just going to melt that, dissolve that sugar right in there like so. All that goodness, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, indeed. All right, now we just take this and just put it right over this salad just like so. Look at it starting to wilt it up. Now, some people call this kilt salad. Some people call it killed salad. I guess it's according to where you're from. But we say kilt sometimes, don't we, instead of killed?
Yes, we do.
No, somebody got kilt.
Yeah.
We do. But see how it's wilting it? And now we're just going to put this bacon right on top, honey.
Ooh.
Just a simple, super simple.
It don't get much easier than that.
It does not. It really does not. And it didn't take much, that dressing, and it didn't take much to make this little salad. And we're going to have it with a little piece of cornbread beside it. That's how a lot of people have it. And some people actually put some boiled egg on it. Russ, like, I ain't in the mood for no boiled egg. But boiled egg is really good on it. So we are going to give this another little toss, and then Russ will give it a little taste and tell y'all what he thinks about it. All right, y'all. This is so simple, but it is delicious.
Yeah.
Go ahead and just dig right up on in there.
I'll tell you what, I love a summer salad.
Mm-hmm. Nothing better.
Yeah. Boy, that bacon just smells
It
so
does.
yummy.
It does. And you know, back in the day, they even, you know how I been holding on to my little bacon grease, they did it too. And you didn't even have to really fry the bacon. You can just use it and put that little dressing on it.
That's all you need.
Fantastic, ain't
It
it?
is fantastic. Really good.
WILT salad.
Get a little bit of cornbread.
Oh yeah, get that little texture and
I can see it.
yeah.
It does go good with it.
Oh
with the
yeah,
bacon.
cornbread goes good with it. Yes, it
Yeah.
does. Yes, it do. And we all love some cornbread over in our neck of the woods.
Yeah.
Have a little cornbread or biscuit.
All different kinds.
All kind of,
Yeah.
all kind of different cornbreads, y'all. I hadn't even got through all the cornbread recipes.
No.
Really.
Mm-mm.
And somebody was asking me the other day about biscuits, and I said, you know, I just realized I've never really done a biscuit just from flour and stuff. It's been different kind.
From scratch.
Yeah, I mean, they are all kind of
All
from
yeah, they're scratch, but like, yeah.
I did Sprite biscuits and, you know, the mayonnaise biscuits, the Formula L. So, it's good, y'all. It's real good. It's hard to stop, ain't it? But, yeah. WILT salad, wilted salad, whatever you want to call it kind of salad. Now, I will say, don't be mixing this up, honey, before you go to church for church social and nothing like that, honey. You got to, this is a kind of right now kind of situation salad, okay? Y'all ready for supper? Come on, let's get it kind of situation. And you'd pour it over right before you eat it. Because it does wilt it, sure enough. So you don't want to be completely dead.
Well, you know, that's some of the best salad dressing you could possibly get.
And so, look, simple, 3 little ingredients.
Yeah.
You know, and you know it's going to be good if it starts with bacon. It's going to be good
Yeah,
when something
I'm
starts
telling
with
you.
bacon.
You don't
Fry
really-
some bacon, okay. Sign me up.
I mean, really, a little bit of green onion and it's just lettuce, y'all. It ain't even got
No.
it ain't even fancied up, Jezebel'd up as she calls it. It ain't got no peppers or
No cucumbers,
no
no
cucumbers,
tomatoes.
no tomatoes, no croutons, no nothing, no
You don't
nothing.
need 'em.
Just
Don't
some
need 'em.
lettuce. But it's got bacon, and
It's
that's
got-
really all it needs.
It's got flavor.
Yeah, I just eat this
Yes.
and be happy.
And you can add all those things to it. You really can, and it's good. But just simple is really good too. You don't have to have all that stuff. Goodness, simple goodness. I love little simple recipes like this. I really do.
That's fantastic.
It is so good.
Yeah.
Yes. And they have served this, y'all, in high-end restaurants. So don't count it out. Don't think that everybody don't enjoy it.
Oh yeah, that's a
Everybody.
$15 salad in
You know,
certain places.
My sister in Tennessee, she lives in Pigeon Forge. She said, honey, well, they have it all over here, and you will pay good money for it.
Yeah.
You will pay good money for it. So, listen, you ain't got to pay it. Don't be wasting your dollars, honey. Do it at the house.
Yeah.
Do it at the house.
Well, I tell you what, you do that and you will enjoy your salad that day because that is a fantastic one there. Yep.
And you can use whatever kind of lettuce you want. You can use spinach. You can do whatever. You mix them up. But like I said, normally it was springtime when they did it, and they would just go out there and pick their fresh greens, pour that over it, honey, and have a feast. So
That's a feast.
and that's a nice little how do you do? Welcome spring.
Yeah.
When you start getting that lettuce. So anyway, y'all, simple. Easy. I hope you try it. If you've never heard of it, y'all let me know if you've never heard of it or seen it in your area. And we'll be looking for all those little comments.
Yeah, give it a
And,
try.
give
Man,
it a try. Yeah,
talking about something good now.
don't knock it till you try.
Yeah,
Anyway.
absolutely.
Yes. But anyway, thank y'all so much for joining us. And until next time.
Peace.